Alright, so today we're going to use a spec. First, you're going to need to blank the machine. So you're going to take a little tube of water, clean it off with your cloth, your little napkin. You're going to want to set the spec to transmittance. And then you're going to place it into the spec while you make sure your wavelength is set at the right one. And then you're gonna hit this button right here so you have 100% of the light going through, which will blank the spec. You just wait, and now you can see it is flashing and it's blanked. That's when you take your blank out, and then you click this button to change it to absorbance. And then you can go and test your solution. Then you're gonna take your solution. You can tap it on the bottom to get all the bubbles out from the bottom. Make sure you clean your tube, because if you don't, you can have fingerprints on your tube, which will mess up the reading of the absorbance level. So that is why it's probably the most important thing to make sure your tube is completely clean, has no smudges on the outside of the tube, and does not have any fingerprints, so it gets a clear reading on the spec. Then, after you do that, you place your tube into the spec, close the lid, and the number that pops up on the screen, that is your absorbance level. So for this tube we have in here, it's around 0.602, 603, and that is how you spec.